Can I give my dog Benadryl for kennel cough? Is your dog suffering from a kennel cough? You might be wondering if Benadryl is a good solution. Benadryl, a common antihistamine, is often used to relieve allergies in humans. But what about dogs? Well, it's crucial to remember that dogs' bodies function differently. Using human medication can be risky. Nevertheless, in some cases, vets may recommend Benadryl for dogs. This includes situations like allergies or even minor cough symptoms. But only give your dog Benadryl under veterinarian supervision. Their guidance ensures you're keeping your pet safe and healthy.